Hello and welcome to Zimstate Media. And other news, Emmanuel Makandiwa born Shingirai Chirume on December 25, 1977 is today celebrating his 48th birthday. Makandiwa was born in Muzarabani, Mashonaland Central Province, Zimbabwe, and is a prominent Zimbabwean religious leader and founder of the United Family International Church, UFIC. Raised in a devout Christian family, his parents were elders in the Apostolic Faith Mission AFM Church. Makandiwa pursued a diploma in theology from AFM's Living Waters Theological Seminary in 2002. He began his pastoral career as an assistant under Reverend Asfa Madzire and later founded UFIC in 2008, which grew into a mega church with over 7,000 weekly attendees. Known for his prophetic ministry, televangelism, and large-scale miracle crusades, Makandiwa is married to prophetess Ruth Makandiwa and has 5 children. For more stories, please do like and subscribe.